What's going on, Griddle Nation? Chef Nathan Lippy here, and today I want to talk about showing your Blackstone griddle just a little bit of love. Now I get it, every once in a while we kind of leave our griddle sitting out in the back and we ignore it, and it's sad. And I'm sure your griddle is looking at you saying, hey, where's the bacon? Where are the smash burgers? Where's the steak? Why haven't you been cooking on me in a couple of weeks? So that top can dry out just a little bit and you might need a touch of TLC. So today I want to talk about the Blackstone 3-in-1 cleaning tool. Now this thing is fantastic for those little bits and spots that seem to get a little neglected. Now it has 3-in-1, which means we have that nice firm stone on one side. That's going to help us even out that seasoning layer. Maybe there are a few chips where your seasoning layer has dried out. That is going to help smooth out those areas. Then on the other side, we have our scouring pad. Now this is an abrasive mesh, but it's not going to scratch your seasoning layer away completely. It's just going to be a little bit more substantial than just paper towels or even using your scraper. Now at the very end, we also have that sweet little metal scraper edge. So if you need to get little elbow grease, you gotta really get in there because you've left your griddle on your back porch sitting in the rain and now you need to restore it. This is the tool you need. So with just a little bit of elbow grease, a few fun little techniques, you guys can get your Blackstone back into ship shop shape. Then it's just burgers and bacon all day long. Be sure to check this out at Walmart. You can find some more info at blackstoneproducts.com. And be sure to check back on the next video when we share some more fun tips and tricks and some fun griddle gear.